In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication on your Namecheap account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, why is two-factor authentication, or 2FA, so important? Well, it adds an extra layer of security to your online accounts, making it significantly harder for unauthorized users to gain access. With just a username and password, your account can still be vulnerable, but once 2FA is enabled, even if someone has your password, they would need a second factor to log in, often a code sent to your phone or generated by an app. So let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is log into your Namecheap account. Simply head over to namecheap.com and enter your credentials. Once you have logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. This is your control center for all things related to your account. Now, on your dashboard, look for the option that says Switch to Authentication App, TOTP. This is an important step, as it will allow you to use apps like Google Authenticator for your two-factor authentication. Clicking on this will take you to the appropriate settings. Once you're in the right area, you will see the option to enable two-factor authentication. Click on that. This will start the process of enabling 2FA and will prompt you to enter your password for authentication. Go ahead and do that now. This is just an added layer of security to ensure it's really you making this change. After you've entered your password, click on Continue. You're almost there! The next step will ask you to copy some private codes. These are backup codes, and it's essential to keep them secure and private. They allow you access to your account in case you lose your phone or can't access the Authenticator app for any reason. Make sure to keep them stored safely, perhaps in a password manager or somewhere secure. Once you've made a note of those codes, click on Next to proceed. You're doing great so far. Next, you'll be prompted to set up your Authenticator app. If you don't have the Google Authenticator app yet, now is a great time to download it on your phone. It's available on both Android and iOS, so no matter your device, you're covered. When you open the Google Authenticator app, you will likely find an option to scan a QR code. This is precisely what you need to do next. Go ahead and use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on your Namecheap setup screen. Once scanned, the app will generate a 6-digit code every 30 seconds or so. Now take that 6-digit code and enter it into the box provided on your Namecheap screen. This code verifies that you have successfully linked the Authenticator app to your Namecheap account. After you input the code, the last step is to click on Finish to complete the setup process. And just like that, you've enabled two-factor authentication on your Namecheap account. Nice job! After finishing, you should see a confirmation that 2FA is enabled, indicating that your account is now more secure than ever. It's really that simple to add an essential layer of protection to your online identity. Remember, security should be a priority, and enabling features like two-factor authentication is a significant step in the right direction. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please let me know by liking and subscribing. Stay safe online, and see you next time.